You are not going to believe what's going on in here. Let me show you.
Did you figure it out? Hey guys, my name is Don Webb, and welcome to the Good Works Project. So I've got to tell you about this video. I met with a guy named Sam Singer. Actually, I met Sam at a conference a year or so ago, and Sam was telling me about this organization that he was part of called Mobility Worldwide. So what they make are hand-driven carts that are distributed all over the world. They've shipped like 80,000 of these carts worldwide over time. And the deal is this: there are people in this world who don't have the ability to walk, and it's devastating. There are people walking on their hands and crawling in parts of the world, and they have lost their dignity. They've lost their ability to be a part of the community. It's devastating. It really is. And these carts provide the gift of mobility. And maybe that doesn't seem like a big deal to you or me, because we live in a world and live in a part of the world where we just take for granted our ability to get around and be part of society. But there are parts of the world where that's not the way it is. And it is amazing when you see the looks on the people's faces when they get these carts, and how it is life-changing for them. Children have the ability to go to school. People can do simple things like go meet with friends, or go to health clinics, or go get groceries. It's amazing how limiting this is. So I met these guys. They're in Phenix City, Alabama. They work out of a building that was donated by Epworth United Methodist Church in Phenix City. And it's a small place. It's not a big house. And there are a handful of volunteers, mostly retired people, that are working and building these carts. And the place in Phenix City is one of 24. 22 are in the U.S. and there are a couple in Africa, and they build these carts. And Sam and his crew, I think they're going to build 100 this year. They're going to build 100 of these carts this year in this small little house. So it's a pretty amazing process when you think about the fact that just a few people in a small building can turn these things out in the volume that they do. But these guys come in and they work, and they have fun too. It really is a labor of love, and they are making a difference in the lives of people worldwide. You just look at the joy in the faces of these people, the before and after pictures of these people who have received these carts, and what a life-changing experience it was for them. So I just want to let you know about it. It was fun to be there. It was fun to watch them work. It was fun to be a part of it. And I am looking forward to getting a group of guys together in my own community and going and volunteering and helping them to build these things. So I'd encourage you to take a look in the description below. I'll put the links down there, and you can go check them out. And please consider volunteering and helping these guys out. This is good work that they're doing, and they need your help. So if you're looking for some way to get involved, something to go do that's a little different maybe, this is pretty cool. Go to the website, check out, see where your closest affiliate is, and go volunteer. You'll be glad you did. Oh, one other thing. Do something good today.